Grow a garden super seed showcase. Yo boys, we got the super seed showcase. You could have claimed this super seed in the forever pack. This is based on a daily login, so if I log in tomorrow, I'll be able to claim myself this watering can and so forth and so forth. But yeah, today was a day that I could have claimed myself the super seed. So I'll be checking it out, and I'm very excited for the new update. If you haven't seen already my update video, I made a whole update video. They have pretty much leaked the whole update. So right now I'll be literally planting the super seed, okay? The super seed. But we might need some gear, okay? We might need some gear. We might need to go to the shop. We might need to buy some enhancement gear in Grow a Garden. And if you do want a super seed, I can literally give you one. And the only thing that you need to do is comment down below Easter. So let's actually go ahead and open up the shop. And let's buy all these watering cans, because I don't know which one do I need. I got 0 of these godly ones. Increase mutation and fruit size for 5 minutes. Increase mutations, increases fruit size. 10 uses. Oh, so the watering can is the only thing I need. Alright, we got it. The watering can is pretty much the only thing that we need. The other things are kind of not needed. And we are literally gonna plant. Where should I plant it? Where should I plant it? Where should I plant the super seed? I hope we're gonna get the mango super seed. I'm not sure. We got a mango tree, but I want a super mango tree. Let's see. I'm just gonna put it right over here, okay? Yeah, it's right over here in the middle. Beautiful. Should I put it in the middle? Nah, I'm gonna put it at the side right here. Bang. And now we have the watering can. Just put some water on that. We got the peach. Oh no. Oh no. Peach. Is that even good? It's probably the worst. No, we just got the worst one. So the coconut would have been the worst mythical, but we got the peach. Wait, I can't even see the peach. Where's the peach at? It's not even in the store. But I just know the peaches are not that expensive because I already have a peach tree and it doesn't pay. It doesn't pay. Okay, let's actually give this peach tree a little bit more water. Maybe it's gonna grow faster. Come on, grow faster. Wait, is it a super tiny tree? No. Why is it so tiny? Look. Is it gonna grow up? Please grow up. Grow up. Come on. You can do it. Alright, so you can see that I have a peach tree right here. And these peaches are, you see, these peaches are not that valuable. The dragon fruits are way more valuable than the peach tree. And we also got the mangoes and the coconut trees all in one. No, we got the tiny golden tree. Oh my god. That we got a tiny golden tree. Really? So I just found out that there is a chance of lightning spawning in the game. There is actual a chance of lightning spawning into the game. And when the lightning spawns, it has a chance to strike your fruits. When your fruits are getting striked, they will become charged and they will be glowing and they will be way more worth. Alright, the peach tree is almost grown. Wait, I just got the most unlucky tree ever. Look at this tree. It's so tiny, but I mean, it doesn't even matter. It actually doesn't even matter because the fruits that will grow on this tree is the only thing that matters. And the fruits could be any size. Like I could grow a giant cactus fruit right here on this tiny cactus, okay? The same as with this apple tree. This apple tree can grow bigger apples than that apple tree. It just like a size difference, but it doesn't really matter. It's just for visual, you know. It's just visual stuff. Anyways, we got the golden tree, and this golden tree has a increased chance of growing rainbow or golden fruits. That's why it's a golden tree. And these super seed packs can be literally bought for Robux, and you can actually get them right here in the comments down below by commenting the secret works, and you can also get them by just logging in daily. If you just log in daily, then you can literally get yourself a super seat completely for just logging in daily. Oh wait, cactus on stock. I've never seen cactus on stock. Finally. So I'll be showing you a little glitch. Maybe it's not a glitch for you, but for me it's a glitch, okay? For me it's a literally glitch. You grab your cactus, you put your cactus next to your cactus. I'll be growing even more cactus right here. So let me just put it down. There you go. There you go. We're just growing cactus right here. And I put it in the same place, so we get double cactus. You see, double cactus. We can even triple cactus. You can do quad cactus. Sometimes it's really hard to actually like plant it down, but you gotta like click everywhere. I think it's not even possible anymore. Alright, just put it next to it. Alright, we got a bunch of cactus in this one little spot. And when you do that over and over again, eventually you will have like a giant bush just like this one, and you're gonna pretty much lag when looking at this bush. You're gonna your whole game is gonna lag. I'm completely lagging. Oh my god. Yo, this is a dangerous bush. Okay, this is a dangerous bush full of tomatoes.